Hello everyone, welcome to Curry Kitchen. Today I am making boni. We call boni and it's a goat intestine we are making right now. So it's a goat's stomach basically. So I'm giving you a little bit tricks how to cook it. First we clean definitely and we're gonna cut it. Then after that, what we do, we boil with the water, a little bit baking soda and vinegar and the water, and we boil it first, then we clean it again, then we're gonna saute it in another pan that I'm going to show you guys. And let's look how it's looking right now. um, the boiling stomach boni we call, or just look here. So this is the goat stomach here. We cut it into pieces. So you can see that it's very clean. We clean very nicely, and boiling with the water, a little bit baking soda, and a little bit vinegar we added in there, so there will be no smell or something. And after this, look like it's boiled now, so we're gonna keep boiling for another 2 or 3 minutes. Then we're gonna wash it, then we're gonna saute it in another pan. Alright guys, it's boiled and it's ready here. We clean it again so it doesn't have any smell or nice. It looks clean. And now we have the wok here, kadai. We're gonna make it here. So wok is very hot. So let me show you guys step by step how we're gonna make it. Let's put some oil here. Make sure it's very nice and hot. And I have some spices here, like whole spices, cloves, black peppercorn, bay leaf, and some cardamom. And also I want to add some cumin here. Nice. So gonna add these. Then we're gonna, once it's hot, we're gonna add it here. Look like it should be nice and hot. Not burning hot, but should be nice and hot. So we're gonna add chopped garlic here. And I have some chopped ginger here. And I have some chopped onion. I'm gonna add some onion here. We're gonna saute until it gets like a golden brown color. So I'm using the bigger burner right now, so it's more faster. And so we're gonna saute it. So I need to make it quick. I'm very hungry, so let's make it nice and golden color here. You see that it's getting golden color coming right now. We don't want to burn the onion, but make sure they are cooked nicely, a little bit caramelized. So when you're making it, make sure you have a little bit bigger pan. So if you have you can see like how much meat we have. So according to that, I'm taking the pan here. So if your pan is very smaller, it's not gonna cook nicely. So that's the one. Now we're gonna add this one. It's still in the very high flame till now. We're gonna keep cooking in a high flame. We're gonna get some nice smoke here. And green chilies here. I'm gonna add there. So I'm just gonna break in 1 to 2. Just put it in there. This gives you nice flavor and heat. Green chili have a nice unique flavor along with the heat, so I like that. Better than the red chili powder, so also it's healthy. So flame is high, still flame is high. You can see that smoke is coming. I like it. So I got some chopped tomatoes here, so we're gonna add in there. Pan is hot, so make sure you use the towel. So you see that still we are cooking in the high flame, guys. So I just turn off the exhaust because it was making so much noise. Let's see if the smoke coming, then maybe I will turn it on again. So you give them nice color to meat as well. So we call like a Wajeri, and this one look like smoke is coming. So I'm gonna turn it on the fire, turn it on the exhaust again. Some people call Bhuni, some people call Wajeri. So basically it's a goat. So you can cook anything in this way. But the iron pan is the best for this. It brings you nice flavor in it. And don't forget, you have to cook in the high flame. That's very important. So the first thing, we're gonna use the salt. We have a salt here, so we're gonna put a little bit salt here. A little bit more salt. And I'm going to use the turmeric powder, half big spoon. And I'm gonna use half spoon coriander powder. And I'm gonna use half spoon cumin powder, cumin and coriander half. And also I'm gonna use half spoon of the red chili powder. Depending on like how spicy you want it. So it's still in the high flame. Still in the high flame, and we are keep sauteing. It looks great here. And I'm gonna put some cilantro in here. And little bit water, not too much, just a little bit. And this dish we're gonna make dry, not with the gravy. So, but I put a little bit water, so I want the spices and everything cooked along with it like together. So what we're gonna do is a nice stir one time, and now we're gonna lower the heat. We lower the heat here. So as you see, like we lower the heat here right now. We add little bit water, and we're gonna cook for another 5 to 7 minutes. We're gonna put the lid on top. Perfect. So still we are cooking here. I just take out the lid. It looks great. Another 2 to 3 minutes. We need to check when you feel confident. Like we need to check if the meat is tender. I'm gonna taste it. Is it tender or no? Yeah. So check if it's cooked now. If it's too dry, you always add a little bit of water. Make sure this time you lower the flame. That's very important. It's ready. As you see, like this is the consistency I needed, so it's perfectly ready.
chilies are cooked nicely also. It gives nice flavor in the meat, and it looks so good, and I'm excited to try. And as you see, like, it looks so good. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe my channel. I would appreciate it. I will come back with another interesting video. Thank you for watching.